Whoa. This is incredible. This is incredible. It's been so many years since I last taken Photoshop at my high school, and now I've gotten 15 out of 20 correct on this pretest. Wow. Okay, let me tell you guys something. I'm no genius. I'm no genius at this course. I haven't taken it in so many years, and yet I still got this many correct. Wow. Okay, so this wasn't a redo command. It was free transform. So, yeah. Photoshop measure transparency and... yes, it was grayscale. Oh, I always thought Alt-N would create a new file as a shortcut, but why Control-N? That's something I would never know. Well, drag and drop, you can apply a texture to an image, but this I'll have to ask my teacher. Stroke the airbrush tool. Yeah, I'll keep this one in mind. So, 15 out of 20. Definitely something I'll remember this. I'll definitely have this to remember by the next time I start Photoshop. Anyway.